Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best DSLR camera. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Nikon D3500W/AFP DX NIKKOR 18 to 55mm f/3, 5:5, 6G VR black, leaving your point and shoot behind. For the first time? The Nikon D3500 is one of the best entry-level cameras for DSLR newbies, providing great performance in various lighting situations as well as built-in guidance to help you get familiar with all it has to offer. This special instruction mode helps you determine the best camera settings for the shot at hand, outlining controls like ISO, aperture, and exposure. The D3500 also has the same size sensor as our top pick, 24, 2 megapixels, to help achieve high-quality detail, a lightweight body, and reliable battery life. You won't get the touchscreen LCD or fast autofocus of the T7i, but this is an excellent pick that gives you room to grow. It's important to take size and weight into consideration, especially if you're used to traveling light with a smartphone or point-and-shoot camera. The Nikon D3500 may lack some of the familiar bells and whistles like a touchscreen LCD, but with the ability to capture more than 1550 images on a single charge, it's the superhero of battery life in an entry-level DSLR, a cool feature to avoid the hassle of editing photos on your computer. Product feature: interactive guide shooting mode. Solid performance, good handling. Fairly basic controls. The LCD has no tilt or touchscreen. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 isn't just one of the cheapest DSLRs, it is also one of the best for beginners, making it perfect for those who are looking for an entry-level camera at an affordable price. If you prefer a smaller DSLR, then the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is the perfect choice for you. Weighing in at 104 lbs, it's a small, lightweight camera that makes it easier to use for those transitioning to a DSLR from a smartphone or compact camera. The settings on the Canon EOS Rebel T7 are great for novices. They have been designed by color coding, making them easier to navigate, and feature an impressive My Menu function. This allows you to save the 6 most used settings, saving you time fumbling around in the settings, and more time enjoying taking stunning photos. The camera also takes pretty good pictures even in low light and comes with image stabilization to reduce blurriness when taking photos on the move. It has a 9-point autofocus system that works great in high contrast scenes and a battery life long enough to sustain 600 shots per charge when using the viewfinder. Those who opt to use its live view might have to be content with only 260 shots before the battery runs out. Pros: great image quality. Perfect for beginners. Plenty of features. Lens included. Cons: lacks touchscreen. Number 3. Panasonic LUMIX FC300 Long Zoom Digital Camera. The LUMIX FC300 from Panasonic features a decent 12 1-megapixel sensor for good image quality and support for 4K video. Its highlight feature is its 24x super zoom lens, which is designed in such a way that owners won't even have to shoot in full sun or with high ISO settings for good pictures. Also, thanks to Panasonic's depth from defocus technology, it can accurately lock into a subject in motion at a very high speed. However, it does not have a headphone jack. The FC300 also boasts an impressive continuous shooting speed of up to 12 pictures per second, and since it also comes with a special 4K photo mode, owners will be able to enjoy the clarity that is brought about by added extras such as HDR for good color balancing. Its handheld night option is also great for minimizing both noise and blur, and on its rear, the camera has a 3-inch touchscreen that is also very user-friendly. It has a very impressive zoom capability, as well as a 3-inch touchscreen that is very easy to navigate. Image quality is also pretty good, and its array of settings allows for very intricate adjustments. Pros: very quick autofocus system. Supports 4K video capture. Varied settings for deep level of adjustments. 24x super zoom lens. Cons: no headphone jack. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is one of the best budget DSLRs you can get and one of the most portable, designed to be small and light, relative to other DSLRs. Of course, it's super easy to take on the go. Its simple control layout is accessible to newcomers, and it even has a fully articulated touchscreen to help you shoot at different angles. It also uses the same APS-C sensor found in the Canon EOS Rebel T8i, so image and video quality is comparable. You Just get a much more rudimentary autofocus system. If you're completely new to photography, you should consider the Nikon D3500. Nikon's entry-level budget option is even more stripped down than the SL3, with no articulated screen and no 4K video capability, but it has a unique guide shooting mode that teaches you the ropes as you shoot. If you've never used a dedicated camera before, it's an excellent starter, but if you want a budget model with even more features, the SL3 is the way to go. It also has a really good battery life for photos that can last over multiple days on a full charge, depending on how you use it. However, its plastic build doesn't feel especially sturdy, and the camera is bulkier than mirrorless alternatives. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera 2 Lens Kit. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is an affordable camera suitable for entering the world of DSLRs. This DSLR is a lightweight, compact option complete with a 24 1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, Digic 4 Plus image processor, and a 9-point autofocus system. The Rebel T7 is capable of 3 frames per second shooting while limited, still acceptable for a DSLR and burst shot modes as well as full HD video capture. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 also comes with an 18 to 55mm lens. Its image quality is very good, as you shouldn't notice much grittiness even at high ISO levels to compensate for poor lighting. Its kit lens offers a decently flexible zoom range, but exhibits severe light falloff, meaning that the corners of your image are likely to be much darker than the center point. The camera itself is decently comfortable to operate but feels quite cheaply made and isn't rated as being weather sealed, though we don't currently test for that. It also works with the same RF lenses as full-frame cameras. The RF lineup includes excellent, affordable options for budding enthusiasts and family photographers alike. Pros: creative filter modes, affordable, very good image quality. Cons: basic LCD display.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.